Step into the world of absolute fashion AF, the ultimate hub for exquisite Ankara and lace styles alongside a rich tapestry of captivating hairstyles. Our channel is a treasure trove where elegance meets innovation, showcasing an array of styles that celebrate diversity, culture, and individuality. Embark on a sartorial journey with us as we unveil the mesmerizing allure of Ankara and lace. Explore the vibrant patterns, intricate designs, and stunning combinations that breathe life into traditional attire. From timeless classics to contemporary twists, our curated collection ensures there's something for everyone, embracing fashion as a form of self-expression. But that's not all. We are here to revolutionize the world of hairstyling. Alongside our showcase of gorgeous fabrics, we bring you a plethora of hairstyles that complement every outfit and occasion. Dive into a world of braids, twists, updos, and beyond this style intricately crafted to accentuate their beauty and individual. As absolute fashion, we are not just about showcasing beauty, we are about empowering you to embrace your unique style. Whether you are seeking inspiration for a special event, day-to-day chicness, or a complete makeover, our channel is the ultimate guide. Join our vibrant community of fashion enthusiasts where creativity knows no bounds. Engage with us, share your thoughts, and be part of a movement that celebrates diversity and self-expression. Don't miss out on the latest trends and exclusive tutorials. Hit that subscribe button, like our videos, and tap the notification bell to stay updated. It's time to elevate your fashion game and make a statement with absolute fashion. Embrace the fusion of culture, elegance, and creativity. Whether it's donning the perfect Ankara ensemble, flaunting intricate lace styles, or experimenting with hairstyles that exude confidence, let's redefine fashion together. Join us on this stylish journey and let your unique style shine.